Are you ready for some TIP? If you haven't ready yet, like and subscribe, join the Inspire family where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it, let's go. Well, alright you guys, today's tip is, today you might be talking to someone that's not trying to fall apart in their life at the moment, okay? So try to spread kindness, spread love, not hate. Try to be motivational, try to be inspirational to whoever it is that you're seeing today, okay? Maybe somebody on the streets, you know, they want to talk to you, say hi, be generous. It's okay to show love, it's okay to spread love. There's so much negativity in this world out there. It's always good to be a positive influence, okay? Just your conversation with somebody could change somebody's whole entire life, whole entire prospect, whole entire way of thinking about something, you know? Change the whole perspective. So always be kind, always spread love, and always show love to yourself because you matter most too, okay? Clap for yourself because you're still breathing. Clap for yourself because you accomplished any goals that's been given to you. Whether you woke up today, whether you brushed your teeth, whether you went to a job interview, whether you look for a job, you signed in, whatever it is, man, okay? Make sure that you're kind to yourself as well. Stop being hard on yourself, okay? So just remember, guys, always do something in the kindness of your heart because it's more meaningful when it's sincere. Well, alright, family, that concludes today's tip of today's video. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys having a blessful day, a blessful week. I'm currently in Vegas. I shot this video already, so I don't know if it's going to be uploaded or not. If it is, thank God. If not, there's going to be a late video. Alright? Oh, because I try to post video every single day. All I want to say to you is blessing on blessing on blessing on blessing on blessing to you. One love, y'all. Peace.